Have you ever thought that doing daily chores in your house can be fully body workouts, or you don't need to go to the gym? Some of the things you do in your daily duties are sweeping and mopping. This one is a cardio section. It turns your body to be active, and you can go strong while sweeping. Tighten your core while mopping. It burns calories and leaves your floor sparkless clean. Laundry time, do squats while you load and you unload clothes. Every time you bend and pick something, squat with intention. You are doing strength training. Making your bed, stretch and engage your arms as you pull those sheets tight. Dishes, do side legs lift or stand on one foot and build a balance and core strength. It may look funny, but it works and it makes chores more fun. Turn your home into fitness zone. No excuses, just movement, energy, and results while you clean. Let's go strong.